Welcome to the epicenter of the fourth industrial revolution. Today, we are not just visiting a manufacturing plant. We are entering a portal to the future of human civilization. At BMW Group plants Leipzig and Hams Hall, the boundary between biological logic and artificial intelligence has finally dissolved. This is the realization of the BMW iFACTORY strategy: lean, green, and digital. As we count down the days to our own global rebirth on April 10th as Technologic TV Global, we invite you to witness the most sophisticated integration of autonomous machines in history. This is the dual-threat revolution of the Figure 02 Humanoid and the Boston Dynamics SpOTTO, known in the world of BMW as SpOTTO. Let's begin our journey in the high-stakes environment of a Leipzig body shop. Standing before us is Figure 02, the world's most advanced commercially viable humanoid robot. This isn't just a prototype, it's a high-performance athlete of the industrial world. Standing at 168 centimeters and featuring a sleek, matte black finish, Figure 02 is the result of thousands of hours of collaboration between Figure AI and BMW's production experts. Unlike the robotic arms of the last decade, Figure 02 possesses a human-like skeletal structure with 60 degrees of freedom. Its hands are a masterpiece of mechanical engineering, boasting 16 active degrees of freedom in each palm. This allows the robot to grip, rotate, and place delicate sheet metal components with the tactile sensitivity of a master craftsman. What makes Figure 02 truly terrifying and brilliant is its brain. Powered by dual NVIDIA RTX GPU modules, it utilizes a vision-only AI architecture. 6 high-resolution RGB cameras act as its eyes, feeding data into a massive neural network known as the Helix model. While other robots rely on expensive LiDAR or pre-mapped paths, Figure 02 perceives the world just as we do. It identifies the geometry of a car chassis, calculates the optimal path for its limbs, and adjusts its grip in real time if a part is slightly out of place. During its 1,250-hour pilot program, it successfully placed over 90,000 parts with sub-millimeter precision. This isn't just automation, it's autonomous reasoning at the speed of light. Now, we travel to the United Kingdom, to the heart of BMW's engine production in Hams Hall. Here, a different kind of worker patrols the floor. This is SpOTTO, a custom-integrated version of the world-famous Boston Dynamics SpOTTO. But don't let the four-legged appearance fool you. SpOTTO is a mobile supercomputer. Equipped with an array of thermal imaging cameras and the specialized Fluke SV600 acoustic sensor, SpOTTO is the ultimate maintenance engineer. It patrols thousands of square meters autonomously, listening for microscopic air leaks, frequency signatures that the human ear cannot detect, but that represent significant energy loss. By identifying these leaks early, SpOTTO saves the factory thousands of euros in energy and prevents potential system failures before they occur. What links these two disparate robots across international borders? It is the industrial Metaverse. Every bolt, every conveyor belt, and every movement of Figure 02 is mirrored in a virtual universe powered by NVIDIA Omniverse. This digital twin allows BMW engineers to simulate entire production shifts before they ever happen in reality. If a robot needs to learn a new task, it trains in the digital world for millions of iterations in just seconds. This synergy between the virtual and physical realms, what BMW calls the digitalization pillar, reduces manufacturing errors to near zero. It is a loop of continuous, AI-driven optimization where the data from the factory floor feeds back into the virtual model, creating a self-improving production organism. The most critical question remains: what is the role of the human in this new world? BMW's philosophy is clear. The machine serves the man. Robots like Figure 02 and SpOTTO are designed to handle the dull, dirty, and dangerous. By delegating ergonomically straining tasks and routine surveillance to machines, BMW is freeing its human workforce to focus on high-level quality control, creative problem-solving, and the emotional intelligence that only a human can provide. This is not a replacement. It is an evolution. The precision of the machine, guided by the wisdom of the human mind, ensures that every BMW vehicle leaving the line is a masterpiece of both technology and soul. We are witnessing the dawn of the iFACTORY era, a sustainable, lean, and fully digital future. As we document this robotic odyssey, we are also preparing for our own transformation. On April 10th, Vision Effect TV officially becomes Technologic TV Global. We are expanding our horizon to cover the most exclusive engineering and AI breakthroughs from every corner of the planet. I'm Ava. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the future. Stay curious, stay visionary, and I will see you at the global launch. The future has never looked this intelligent.